Welcome to our microbiology course. My name is Samara Abedravo and I am a professor of both lecture and lab for microbiology. I earned my PhD from the University of California, Santa Cruz, where my research or my dissertation focused on a bacterium called Helicobacter pylori, which causes stomach infections, which is called gastritis, stomach ulcers, and even stomach cancer. So that was my focus. I love medical microbiology, but I've also done in graduate school and in undergraduate school a few years of ocean microbiology, which is extremely fun, studying the microbes and the bacteria in the ocean. But my passion is in the medical side of microbiology and infection. So microbiology is a field that studies microbes, and microbes are very tiny organisms. They're things like bacteria, and we can think of bacterial infections like strep throat, various other bacterial infections. It's a field that studies viruses that cause things like COVID, coronaviruses, the flu virus. We also study mold, yeast, various other microbes. So in this course, it will be split into 4 units. In Unit 1, we'll have a good understanding of cells and their metabolism so that we can understand the fun things later. In Unit 2, we'll understand bacterial genetics and biotechnology and how there's so many different strains of microbes, like evolving strains of coronaviruses and evolving strains of bacteria and how that develops. In Unit 3, we'll talk about viruses and the immune system, as well as immune system disorders like autoimmune disorders. And then finally in Unit 4, which is my favorite, we'll talk about antibiotics, host microbe interactions, and infection. And I love infection. That's my favorite part of the course. The problem is we can't get to the fun stuff till we have a real strong, solid understanding of cells. And that's the same thing with antibiotics. So we have to really focus on cells, metabolism, which I know is not everyone's favorite, to get to the fun stuff. So this course is designed for pre-health students, any student, but a lot of times it's for pre-nursing students, pre-dental students, any students who want to go into the health field, or if you want to learn it on your own. I'm really excited to be on this educational journey with you, and thank you so much for joining this course with me.